Dropshipping plays an increasingly vital role in today's business environment. If your store lacks traffic, worry not. Today, we'll explore several strategies to boost traffic to your store. Don't miss out on this video if you want your dropshipping store to stand out. Harness the power of social media. Social media is indispensable for the dropshipping industry. Build and optimize your social media accounts like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Regularly post high-quality content such as photos, videos, and user stories to attract followers and engagement. Use targeted ads tailored to your customer demographics. Analyze and optimize ad performance to enhance conversion rates and ROI, ensuring your ads deliver effective results. The importance of SEO optimization. SEO is crucial for ranking your dropshipping store higher in search engine results. Use relevant keywords, optimize web page titles and descriptions, and build high-quality backlinks to increase visibility and attract targeted traffic. The value of content marketing. Content marketing is a powerful tool for attracting potential customers and increasing brand awareness. Create compelling and valuable content such as blog articles, video tutorials, and customer case studies to showcase your product features and advantages. Quality content not only attracts traffic, but also builds trust and authority, contributing to sales conversions. Effective use of influencer marketing. Collaborate with industry-relevant partners and influencers to expand your dropshipping store's traffic. Joint promotions can broaden your audience and enhance brand recognition. Find partners whose values align with yours and target the same customer base to achieve mutually beneficial results. Utilize customer reviews and feedback. Customer reviews and feedback are crucial for improving product and service quality and attracting new customers. Display positive reviews and genuine user experiences on your website and social media to increase potential customers' trust and encourage purchase decisions. By integrating these strategies effectively, you can significantly boost traffic and sales for your dropshipping store. Continuously optimize and adjust your marketing strategies to adapt to market changes and customer needs. Establishing effective online and offline marketing strategies will help expand your customer base and achieve long-term business success.